All right, today we're getting into the PowMR M100-pro MPPT solar charge controller. We've been using it for the past 2 weeks out in Tennessee, charging up the batteries with the solar, and I have not had one issue with it. It directly correlated with my LiPo battery, even though you can change it to whatever you want, or you can do your own specs. I just kept it on there pre-programmed because it was pretty much on par with what EcoWorthy wanted their batteries charged at. And as the battery got closer and closer to 100%, it cut down the power coming in from the solar to optimize the battery performance and to balance the cells inside the battery. So I'm pretty impressed, and yeah, I literally haven't had any issues. So let me zoom in on it. Is it the best budget MPPT solar controller out there? I'm not sure. I've tried a few, and for the price point, you can't beat it, or I can't beat it for what I got. I've used Victron, I've used Renergy, I've used all the other names, and this can handle more power, cheaper, up to 100 amps. So let's get into it. I'll turn this camera around and we'll check out what's been done. All right, so here you can see I got my 400-watt portable solar out here, which is extremely dirty from pollen and storage and keeping it around for the last 2 weeks. So that's probably going to knock off 10% right there, if not more. Plus I got 30 feet of line out here, so that's going to drop off even more. So I'm hoping for around 60%. Let's take a look. Pulling in 33 volts, so it's probably going to be a little low. We're at about 50%, pulling in 200 watts, 13.5 volts. Code 4, that means it's, what is it, burst charging or boost charging? Bringing in as much as it can to the battery, because the battery is probably at like 50% or something like that. And those are the settings. You got how many volts your solar is pulling, how many watts it's bringing in, and then you got your codes for what the system is doing. And I'll put a screenshot in here for what each number means. I think it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10 or something like that for the code numbers. I'll throw a screenshot in so you can see what those mean. And next we got super easy, convenient, boom, magnetic. You got your solar coming in and you got your battery going out. So I got 2 out here because I'm going to do a 600 amp hour battery bank, and I'm going to do it up underneath the bed over here. This is just temporary. And then I got, I think 8 gauge going underneath and out to the solar hookup, which I got 30-foot leads on, or 25-foot leads, so I can go all over the campground with it. Very easy, very convenient. Everything went together great. It's just 4 wires. Thing's got a huge heat sink on the back of it. And I just used 4 bolts to put it in here. And now we can go through the settings. All right, I got to unplug the solar because you can't do any settings when the solar is running, because they don't want you to mess up your battery. So again, that was just your PV, your volts, your watts coming in. 3 is that it's not charging right now. I'm going to throw up a little screenshot to show you what these numbers are. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And that's tells you if it's boost charging, if it's bulk charging, if it's float charging, or if it's just charging. And 3, it means it's off. And then back. 13.3, that's what my battery's at right now. I got 0 amps coming in because nothing's charging. The battery is 25 degrees Celsius. This is the charging parameters. This is your codes. This you only need if you have 2 of these hooked together. Then you can change how they work together. This is my battery, lithium ion 4-cell, or yeah, LiPo. And if you hold this down, then you can switch between your kinds of batteries, whatever you have. I'm using that, so I'm going to set it. This is bulk charge, boost charge, float charge, and overall volts coming in or something. So pretty simple. And it's nice how they have it all set up for, I think, 13 different batteries. And I've been very pleased with this. Zero issues. So overall thoughts on this PowMR M100-pro. Is it the best budget option? I mean, for me it was, because they sent it to me for free and I was skeptical, and then been using it for 2 weeks camping and weeks here and there while I was setting it up, and I literally have not had one problem with it. It's balanced my batteries perfectly. It's controlled the solar coming in perfectly. Granted, I only have 400 watts coming in. If Green Magic is going to send me another 400 watt panel, then I'll have 800 coming in to do a more robust test. But as long as I don't go over the 100 amps, I don't see any problems with this device, man. It's been solid. It looks good. It functions good. The controls are easy. Wiring is easy. You can link multiples together if you have, 3,000 watts of solar or what have you. So yeah, I think it's a really good purchase, and I'll throw a link in the description. You can go check them out. They sell them on Amazon. They sell them at their own webpage. I'll link it to Amazon. I don't get anything off of it, but I would recommend this 100%. It's been super solid. Peace, love, and hair grease. Enjoy the outdoors.